Stocks are trying to bounce this morning, and to a certain degree, they are succeeding. As I speak to you right now, the NASDAQ is just above the flat line. The S&P is up 0.2%. The Dow is up 0.38%, and the Russell is up 0.48%. Gold is down today, but it actually gapped higher on the open, hitting the second highest intraday level in the precious metals history. As I speak to you right now, though, gold is down 0.58%, silver is lower by 1.3%, copper is lower by 2.4%, and crude oil is down by about 1/3 of 1%. Treasury yields in the U.S. are pretty quiet overall. Now, last night, Japanese services PMI beat expectations, coming in at 52.2. German factory orders came in stronger than expected, and more than doubling estimates on those German factory orders. And construction PMI in the UK came in slightly better than expected, still in contraction territory. The big news from last night is the PBOC cutting its reserve rate requirement to support Chinese banks and businesses during trade negotiations. This was clearly a response to trade tensions, but we have Secretary Bessent heading to talks this weekend with China's vice premier in Switzerland. They're being characterized as talks to discuss negotiations as opposed to trade negotiations. Speaking of Treasury Secretary Bessent, he's testifying again today, this time before the House Financial Services Committee, which could cause more relevant headlines than yesterday's testimony. We have an FOMC rate decision today at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, and markets are pricing in virtually no chance of a rate cut. The statement in the press conference will matter, as is often the case lately. Tomorrow, we have a Bank of England rate decision where markets are widely expecting a 25 basis point rate cut. Now, looking ahead, earnings after the close today, we have 150 companies reporting with market caps over $1 billion, including ARM Holdings, AppLovin, Carvana, Flutter Entertainment, Zillow, and Occidental Petroleum. Tomorrow before the open, there's another 107 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Toyota, Restaurant Brands International, Anheuser-Busch, Ecolab, Royalty Pharma, Shopify, ConocoPhillips, Cheniere Energy, and Warner Brothers. Tonight, we get the minutes from the last Bank of Japan meeting and a 10-year JGB auction. Tomorrow, we get the Bank of England rate meeting that I just mentioned, plus jobless claims, productivity growth, and unit labor cost data in the U.S.